school holds a festival called Damun, which is organized by the oldest.
Students of Bedrouna Balaguer, a city located in Catalonia, Spain.
Hi, my name is Safa, and this is my
We are
group.
very hardworking and we have good
I
examples.
wish we appreciate more, love more, and enjoy more the next year.
Wear masks and stay safe.